So we're going to see what starts. It's about minus 14 out and windy as hell. We're going to try my engine drives and see what starts. Alright, we're hitting the glow plugs. We'll see what starts here. Well, pretty close. I don't know if the fuel's gelled, but we'll hit the glow plugs again and see what happens here. All right, well that was impressive. Let's try the Lincoln SAE 300 here. We'll see how it does. This one typically doesn't like to start if it's below zero, but we'll see how it does today. Give the glow plugs a few minutes here. Ah, okay. Well. Oh. Huh. Oh, I wonder if it was, it turned off because it was low oil pressure. Let's see what that does. Okay. Alright, so I usually run synthetic oil in these in the winter. Seems like it helps them start up. So we got one more here we'll go ahead and try. I know my SA200, when it's this cold, will not even begin to start. So we're going to go ahead and try my Pro 400 here. This one typically does pretty good. Man, it is brutally cold out. By the way, these Milwaukee cold weather gloves are freaking awesome. I love these, man. This one hand is not even cold. Oh yeah, there we go. This one usually does pretty well. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick short here. It's cold as hell, my face hurts, my hand hurts, and I'm going inside to warm up. Thank you for watching.